We are opening Rainbocorns. These ones are colors, and I'm gonna open the zip way. Because we didn't. Actually, open it like this. Can't see a crack? Can't you see the crack? The crack! Okay, ready? We got so much! Okay, that cute little poop. He's a cute little poop. Oh my god, look at it. He's a butterfly. Wait. Is he a butterfly? He's a butterfly. I just take the thing off. He's a butterfly. I know. There's a sticker on. I always see these on TV. What is this? 7 surprises. Look at how much. These aren't the little baby pets. These are the big pets. Let me see. Oh, she's right here. Oh, she looks that one. Layla. Yeah, Layla pooped a baby. Little baby. It's up with the baby. Open it. We opened it. It's open her. She is. Oh my god. My god, so golden and fish. She almost looks like the bear. It's kind of squishy. She's gonna have more friends. What is it? Wait, we have to make sure it's not slurped. One. It smells like bubble gum. But white bubble gum. Look at it stretching. It's like coconut. Oh, it's Puppycorn. It's like marshmallow. It has cute stickers. Oh my god, it's cute.
But she's right here. Aw.
I'm gonna make Taylor. We can decorate the egg with the sticker. I'm going to take her out because this is her egg. I'm going to put it on here. So it means it's her egg. I put him in the middle too. So it's his. Okay. Almost done. Done. So these are all the characters I put in. You just have to scratch it off. You can see a little bit. Let me do it on the ground. What is that? A flower? Oh my god, she's so cute. I see it. I do see it. You see it, guys? Oh my god, let me. That in werewolf, that's how we take it off and coconut. That's what the smell smells like. It's open to this. More eggs, but these are gold and the other one is gold and these are different colors. Yeah, like this one is like the same because it has 2 colors. These ones don't. So yeah, it has tips. So I'm gonna open it like I was just doing. So this one falls out. Yes, open this. Okay. Yes, the front, back. It's just like the same one like in this one, but it didn't have the this. Yeah. Yes, open the zipper like the egg. Okay. more surprises. What I sell, I thought this was yellow, but this one is kind of big yellow. Let's open this one. And it's gonna be safe. Oh my god! He's a cutie pie. I never want the huggy. Hug. There we go. Butterfly. He has a bow right on him. I know this is gonna be crazy. You can put this like a ring. Wait, what? Like you put it on your arm and you snap it and I'm gonna open the golden one. It is a golden llama. We got almost the same thing. Or it's a butterfly wing, but orange. We got the pet. It's like a zebra, but purple and golden. And we have a bow, orange. Purple wing. This cute rainbow. I got that. Okay, the last one, guys. The last one. Okay, you ready, guys? This is gonna be fun. It's a cute tiger! Look at this cutie pie! Same wings, but it's kind of like white, I guess. It has the stars. It has a pink star. And it has a purple ring and a bow. Zara. I knew it was Zara. Okay, time for color change. This one is Zara. Yawn. Paya. Glitzy. Paya. What's her name? Yay! I'm gonna fly away. I'm gonna fly away. The blue one is the perfect one. Oh, I'm gonna orange one. I want more. Okay. I want this to be my. Look at this, guys. Cute. Oh, I saw one. Oh, Mila away. Keep my heart. I know. Mommy, look. Oh my god, they're color changing. Let them color change. Oh my goodness. Orange. Let's dip it in. I can get the ice and see what happens. It color changes like by yourself if you want to do it. I'm going to show you this one, and the back are really cool. So I'm going to show you this one is really done. This one is maybe the orange one or the blue one. Orange one, I think. Cool. Oh, it's coming with white a little bit. Oh my god. Turn white. There's no more color. No. We are gonna be. Tell them I don't want to come in. I do scared. It's okay, Mommy. Yeah, she's my friend. Leave her alone. She doesn't like water. What do you do then? Yeah, it's okay. Come on. Oh my God, thank you. Just lay down on me, okay? No, he taps water. Wait, look. Watch, you change it. It's color changing. Look. Oh, the butterfly. I'm a butterfly. I'm a color changing butterfly. How to be a butterfly? Let me put this in the back. The blue. So the blue ones are the yellow ones are the blue one. Okay, guys. I said run. I am a Tommy. Everybody, I am a pool. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you have a fun day. I love you. Okay, guys. I hope you have a cracking day. Bye. Ah, I'm cracking. I'm cracking. Oh, ah. Wow, that's the time is. Isn't that?